In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to track intraday drawdown on Tradovate. By the end, you'll know exactly where to look, what the numbers mean, and how to stay within your limits as markets move. Start by setting up the Accounts module so the key risk columns are visible. Open it from the plus menu in the top left. Once the module is open, click the gear icon to access View Settings, then choose Select Columns. Add the columns that display your remaining distance to the maximum intraday drawdown. Depending on your workspace, this might be labeled Max Drawdown, or a similar term that indicates how much cushion you have before hitting your limit. If you don't see an exact match, choose the closest drawdown-related field available. Naming can vary by layout and update. With those columns in place, monitor your risk in real time. Pay special attention to the Open, or Unrealized, P and L column. This shows your profit and loss on positions that are still open. Intraday Untied Trailing Drawdown follows your high watermark, which means it can ratchet higher the moment your unrealized profits reach a new peak, even if you haven't closed the trade. Think of it as a moving ceiling that adjusts upward when you make a new profit high. If price then pulls back, your cushion to that drawdown limit can shrink faster than you expect, so keep a close eye on both your unrealized P and L and the distance to drawdown column at the same time. If you're trading a funded account, such as with popular prop firms, make sure you're looking at the live or real-time drawdown figure. This value updates immediately when you set a new profit high, reflecting the rules those programs enforce. Confirm you're not relying on delayed or end-of-day numbers because funded accounts typically evaluate you tick by tick. To review how your day went, go to the Performance tab. Here you can see your daily P and L and confirm that you did not breach the drawdown threshold. This is a useful cross-check against what you observed during the session and helps you understand how intraday swings translated into your end-of-day standing. Finally, if you're on a non-evaluation account, open Application Settings to define your risk parameters, including trailing max drawdown settings. Aligning these with your trading plan gives you a consistent framework and visual cues that match your rules. Keep these views open while you trade, and you'll always know where you stand relative to your intraday drawdown.